Nyakorom ga jiwango okang maduol mochungne lo e turka NLC mano mar kodo lop thidhna mayala ne kambi maloso yedhe pur okwedo mokalo gi gavana ma kaunti no James Orengo. Orengo wacho ni okang no mayango ni lopego ibiro kodi kuom kinde maromo higni 66 biro mayo jopiny go ratichgi mano madongruok. Orengo ne wuoye sach sidho jotend migepe mag kaunti no kamano yango ne gibiro kedo kod okang no mano ne ratiro oneno ne jodak ma Lego Usonga.
Yala swamp is a resource for the people of Siaya. Its user must be determined by the people of Siaya. And I want to tell the National Land Commission and all stakeholders, we want investors to come to Yala swamp, but we must get our priorities right. The first is that Yala swamp is a unique ecosystem. It is the biggest fresh water swamp, the biggest in Kenya, and amongst the biggest in Africa, comparable to Obamboland in Namibia. So its use must first and foremost protect the ecosystem. That unique ecosystem, you'll not find it in many parts of the world, and it's got tremendous resources.